Sompa 93.1 FM, Sompa 90.7, Sompa 98.9. Ebraswano pay. Yaji brand sama yabuano keteri senya dudu rubra. Yadi abesomo sa kan kasebo ID kan. Kasebo emu sempo bi a obetie nie. Ononyamfo akwabra donko watun krabi di ama World Bank.
Sansoso ana omai mo biadefo enkamum kopani mpa yewura Joseph Obin woni nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ edin komobi
afutu akɔde ama Ghana for sɛ ngroba yɛde adwuma no yɛnto yɛ wase
lawyer Sami Jamfi communication director de ma ND Samanyoko no na ɛkasa na wɔkasa fa ase na ɔfabato no ho
Ejebo wase na wɔtwe ɛba besim yɛbɛhu sunsuanso bi swami interchange
na entos hema ya wɔwa santimantem so na ne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ edin komofa ɛbo no ho yi
na yabako se wiyoso yanya ne tie se ECG fo ake ho Emma College of Education wonum kanea wakotwam
na na kwabra kese na afi
ohini ni ama krancha dozo so for mami premier ni kase bono yemfra se ene disi amanyokuo mrache bedwani a wogine mu ma dehye wo pro east ye no wo bro apo ye mantem no ononyamfo kwabra ndonko ene wo kasai se World Bank director country director nsembi obekeka aye owura Pierre Frank Laporte echirechire mu se ekwan ya ye fa so ne yakosan krata bi 2012-2023 ewe ya hoden ne ho no won mentumi anya hwehwemu papa no wote ase anya yi ne nhwie se de director ekano
is those contracts that you've signed, those PPAs, are just too expensive. Too expensive, and the kind of PPAs you sign is take or pay, which means Ghana is paying to the electricity that is not even being produced. You have double capacity. Yes, over time, usage will improve, so your excess capacity will go down. But the fact is, in the last few years, Ghana entered into some PPAs that were the wrong types, in our view, and at the wrong rates, at the wrong prices, and today you are paying dearly for it. And also it has an impact because today we're talking of green, clean energy. Many companies want to come to Ghana to do, solar and all. Yeah, government wants probably the best thing to do, but you are still caught up with those that you have to pay because you are tied up in this contract. You will take new ones, you will pay them.
Wey ayora Pierre Frank ya World Bank country director na sasem wey no ura kwabra don kwa sa brand His Excellency John Dramani mama abreso no we osofo awore ahode ne ensem so en wobusa papa Frank se enhwehwemu ben wo ye ya enu nti odi sasem we ba beto na World Bank de sa aban bi ti akonwa so a wonyem fom so wo sode ya ne esie waye se woni so mpa sentrofo na twetwe nkomo no se ahode ne adwadie no ene dollar no ene don nakra na wakai sabre ne kura no na dollar no na gina yie pa ye no kotobia Ghana cedi nan akiripo empesoa edunan nanso ene yenhye eye Ghana cedi ba ko mpesoa wo ha eduokono emiensa enu nti Dr. Kwabrado nkode na sama woka nyina ne se wo mo abreso pa no mpo na ahodene no na efo pa.
I totally disagree, and I rather will call gentleman a partisan politician than a World Bank country director, because that is what he's proven to be. This is somebody who was Minister of Finance in the Seychelles Republic. He was a Minister of Trade. He was a governor of the Central Bank, and he's a presidential aspirant. He needs friends in the third region, and therefore I am not surprised that he's mixing fairy tales with facts. The fact of the matter is that if you take the 2022 Energy Commission projected national energy demand, there was hardly any excess capacity. In fact, in some months, we were eating into our reserve, our redundancy. So the issue of excess capacity is a green herring, and that should be discounted. He talks about the PPAs we are signed crowding out green energy. As we speak, the most viable form of green energy in Ghana is solar power. Can he tell me the cost of all solar power if solar power is to be used as base load? Storage technology is at a level where if you are storing 2 megawatts of solar power, the cost will be in excess of what we pay for thermal plants at the moment because of storage. If you are using it without storage, then the price of solar is dropped and it's cheaper than thermal power.
Dr. Kwabrado nko.
Dr. Joseph Obin, what an a good president, what an inside draw for a dinkomo. Now some of them and Central for you, a teacher, or my task so many abandoned chef is na no ada eto miensa bi a aban no de baaye no ha dwen manwuma no egu ntomne ne be hia ansakra na media budget no abanetimi akenkan
Ebekasa ene ya meno kase yenye sa stakeholder engagement a ebeye nkutahudi a ebemaye na yetimi asinkonwa na ehu ya ye ho ano baba ye hu ekwan a yebefa so na eto no ebi a ayekuma anase ya pede ye de ebe replace no na ama edwade nso ehu ato no na wo se na isa ato no ye de ba no na akwan se eka IMF conditionalities no ntinasa ama business associations no na ya confused because one hwe na one kan ho asem ya one hwe ya na akobo IMF nsese na gu ama aban so ho atre no sambe ya ye de IMF ye nya be ya hu sika kra enya be afi na conditionalities no so ebe start ya ye adwuma pa na menyi ni se ye ko IMF no ne dia abegu adwuma eniti ne ye ka se IMF fo no ano omoti asomase say and come through the media review budget no okay you bet me near by sinkonya na nka yet me aya no bobo ano baba ye a share a kwanya you bet me nya alternative means na ye dia share elisa 330 na aban dia beso ye kono yes abia ye komu ebu covid levy asem na ye kata me ya covid anyway aban amapenina akasa ba where a World Health Organization who now can say the COVID anyway. Thank you, stress COVID living now. Abande so ye come so ko omu enyi eno so flu. Na ye ho hin han kakra. Cause I mean, the siano ye guso aye fra ban abana enya enyi to and just mean kasi we get to ban say akwanya embemu ni nsia.
Dr. Joseph Obeng, on the good president.
Executive Officer Dima Environmental Protection Agency ni Dr. Henry Kwabrako Kofu eno de futu oma Ghana for se ngroba yede yade na ebra so se ebeto so ene ukoto aduane a fa chance kwanye sanso en kwatitibremu en fa haban anwono mo no ne ade odidi so aboa mani padua no kranya mu anwoden sanse wo se kwanye ngroba no edo ha ode breye no esisi sika ene ni enso tokura etwi befie so ye hye no nso mu wisie no so kwatwiko mu a edo owuo pa ne yade ne de ebre wo wone so mpansa ntwefo ne kasa ye Dr. Henry ene wo cheche mu se afie World Environment Day no we idi esi wo pa ya wo be kasa hu sanse e de kapa roba ne de bre aban wo bra ye tu ase to ma ye wo madwen se 2023 World Environment Day no ye be kasa kwampa e be fa so ne roba ye betu ase wo se ne ya Ghana ni di shebia na anam na hu roba bi seda ba bi a peja baako ne yemwa no ma ni munte
na bra ministry ana minister ebe roll out plastic policy they implement wo man mu no ebe hu ana muntuo papedia ebe boa amu bi ehu sampa omani ani abre say ebe ko atia sa plastic pollution na koye kasa tintini bebrebe any workshop bia for me ehun ni bia ya tra ho dia ye drone ya action tietiefu etie ne obi biara se o tetashi mu to trot room okwa afuom what the office ya ebe na du se me nu mi egu de ensabestom na plastic eke ho ahia ne yin spio yo betumi adi kan ye practical ano de nyenten kra ene se emfa plastic a wo use no ba ko awie ukotonte na mpoto dokno ya de dokno na to plastic ba kum ya de ntina ma to ba kum ya time kunko ka dokno ka kra wo pedi nko ha ya wira be ye cha wo sia ye ncha so ye ntefo pa o chense ko ye ko adi ane ma wo di ya wo wa di o de asi ho na kama ukodi bia plastic ba wi a o ba wa bobo ato ho be be nemum se wo benya ntoma bag mpa no ana yesu system no ye
where ya Dr. Henry Kwabrako Kofu
communication officer de ma ND Samanekun lawyer Sami Jamfi na nsam tro for edin ko ni nyina na yese nyame ya adom a 27th ya ye womu yi bosom ya womu de to so aduo no nson na asen no about to be cost na odika kire se kwan bia so ND Samanekun no be din kunim sempo kra.
Well, 35-page judgment from the Supreme Court has confirmed our position that the decision the Supreme Court has taken to annul the election of Honorable James Quincy and NP for Arsenal is nothing but a travesty of justice. You read the entire judgment and you get sad as a Ghanaian that clear provisions of law in this country were completely disregarded by the Supreme Court in arriving at the conclusion they arrived at. Number one, Section 20D of the Representation of the People's Law, PNDC Law 284, is clear that a parliamentary election can only be cancelled if that parliamentary candidate was not qualified at the time of his election. Emphasis on at the time of his election. The certificate of renunciation a day prior, that is on 26th November 2020. This is why the EC, who didn't have a gun to their head, in their own wisdom, cleared him. They saw evidence of renunciation of his Canadian citizen. Now, after he has gone on to win his election by an unprecedented margin, you now go to court and say, even though he satisfied all the nomination requirements before nomination closed, and you cleared him to contest, at the time he submitted his form to you on 9th October, the certificate had not come, so he's not qualified. What kind of cock and bull story is this?
Lawyer Sammy Jemfi.
On Monyanfo, say Chairman Sabon so as Swami Mrashabe Jani, and Mrashabe Jeffy on to Tienso, one on a Eswa fire or Dano. Now, the two just say, Yano Creda, send Pipi Mrashabe Jafo warning in Ada. Ami and Sasso said, Mampenyabe de Che, Dr. Laji Mamadu Baumia, Wamotanechi, was here and cre, Sepeni Peba, one man also says, ye be a quine, so be a fankrata, making 2 franc and fama in your corner. One also a papa, so be Jenby, Wabra and Ra, no man here, Waduba, we are singing action, and I hear round Monyanfo say Chairman Sabon so ebaye was say we am Rachebe for no MPP afam no a wo me ya wo ha aduasan woche 138 emu ha aduonu mienu 122 and wo me so wo me de wo machiri taye e de amama mpania be de chire Dr. Alaji Mamadu Baumia ne ebusa no so am interchange ho asem no so wiebe na wocha ye besimu ye be hu biribi
Yeni ayeso am run about once sika president betwa ahomamu ni nyina I make discussion na e ma na yesa Omana Jefi almost any Yehiransa. About Parliament is one Parliament I did President Sasha says, I get to Munshabia, no Macania. And so, Fay na ya main child in the say, May second I call Shabi Jeffy. Yakoji Skippy, because Swamidanessa, Nania Koji Skippy, say. Ejuso ye dualize ejuso kwa na kusi kono e cheminu akusi kono se se ye nim he ya chemu akusi e francho nkra kwa so de ni si ejuso ye se ye de toaso akusi se sika ne ekoji fi afri azim bank ende na aba na ye call parliament no ye kase de bi so am interchange no ejuso de ni hia de na so hia pa na enya nko sha se ne sika ne da hon de ye nko yi sika ne bi nti parliament a ye nhyehyɛ ye se ye nko yi sika ne mu America sika 75 million ne fa me share so am interchange na so am interchange no so ne wo akwa mienu bi ne wo ancillary roads bi a ye be ye nti me sure se nko si fiada hu e be na so Monday Tuesday wo hu world minister
Nana Sompa on Monyanfo say Chairman Bozu.
Ana abena se wa nenso ene e kasa wo yentosi hima okumase na se wo ka nyina kire sa mpa wi ase ba onipa ya ade a wosa ye omobo aban na ba so pa se aban no bere bi e ba ye na entosi bo na den na aban ne ba mu otima sakra ne mamu
entosi de ma ne bo ye den no onse ne yakobo kena before abedu bo kena no wo be se sefa obi ase gitum se sefa wo ye den e ko so na petrol sam so ma ka sika so e ko eti ma yekodu bokena ho a na boku ade di kai boku alam force so estatin sembi ana emfata obi ate o Ghana eti hu ko gina ba bi kura na wo to ne ma na ka be du ko gina na elodu o wutim be pam na mema o mo do ntosi no na o mo kunkun wo mo enti ma etema no nkoto ntosi no spread so o mo ye ebo hu so obi abeko na o mo ntimi nko na obi so to na ade na mefa so obetimi ateka mienu na ka du ko gina ho a o trasa ade na obetum nti bua ne kwasom de maya no me de maye na amane ma ne bua be de wa ti ma ne bua be de ye kwa na etete ye pa enti ye kwa tu ye wura na akufo ado anim ti ese na da Roma onye dams e maye na dam no enti me mu ama tomatoes emra se ye wura na akufo ado buso a da oni minister wa be agric minister wa be wona ne guso omo ye ne ma pa seriously amo force sabe on be dam na maye de omo di kan ye ho ne ma ntosi na aba se se ama ye Ghana ntosi na aba aye di e se ntosi obi e di adanse se na kufu ado ne mpanimfo ada Roma omo aboa ma se Ghana ntosi no se ye kodema
Nana abra se wa santimantamu entosi hima
Electricity Company of Ghana say you also branch and as abre dia wo mafrin kan ye twetwemu a wo ma no and say you also College of Education wo am so wo de kanti wo no makotwa nkane mu menra wɔm ne asuafoɔ nka kaato ne boro na nka deɛ bɛsi ɛnya sɛm papa koraa na berɛ na yɛ ne LRC president David Boy twetwe nkɔmmɔ no se adwumayɛfoɔ ba hɔ nom anwummerɛ no onum a ɔmunim sɛ management ne wapɔn na level 100 foɔ yi sua deɛ abɛtwerɛ wɔ onum nsɔre 200 foɔ nso egu ahoboaboa so ɛne wɔn ba bɛtwitwa nkanea mu na no ɔmanya ne nteɛ sɛ adwumayɛfoɔ yi bi keka kyerɛ sukuufoɔ ne sɛ sika ɛsɛ management ne de tua electricity no wɔn adi ɛno nti wɔn bɛhyɛ da abɛtwam na sukuufoɔ no ayɛ kyerɛ deɛ tia aban tia no ɛna kɔfa saa asɛm ne baeɛ nanso wɔn no nyɔm no wɔn tua bill ɛyɛ feeding grant aban ne de brɛ wɔn no ɛno no wɔn ti bi ɛna wɔn de atua.
The Student Representative Council of Yosu College of Education wishes to use this medium to brief the media on the incident that occurred on Wednesday, May 31st, 2023, between the student and some of it around 5 p.m. when some of officials of the ECG came to disconnect the power of the college as a result of some outstanding bills owed by the college. Inasmuch as SRC did not sanction the action by the student populace, our findings indicate the following as the causes. Set to end on Friday. Level 200 are also preparing for their end of semester quizzes, and we believe disconnecting power at this crucial time is very unfortunate. Aside the discomfort it brings to student studies, as students rely solely on electricity power, usually states that students in colleges of education do not pay utility bill. It is a portion of feeding grant paid.
Where David Boy on SRC president in Masa Yosu College of Education. Na principal da suku ya no ya Dr. Emmanuel Kasama. And was in Ukraine dia course one dear. And try ye crack na kamu de mubaba kra. Mumra tama management you no nyina ntrase. Na mu se sa adwene ne hu kwampa de befa so. Na suku fo management ya pon. Na mu fan kuntuna se twe prai. Ese wo mu kotwitwa nkane mu de Ukraine entwa yi.
Saying that the incident was very unfortunate. Actually, I wasn't around on campus, so when I heard it, I was at Enya. So quickly, I called my vice to check whether he's also around, so to go and speak to the children or the students. And if anything, they should have come during the office hours, so that management can, if they have even money, to write a check for them or talk to them that we are going to pay. By the time they came, everybody has left office.
Where your principal and what chain is your foibi, and so Ekasa Efa Asem Cronwa.
Your school for us say, what could again? And I say, ECG for about Ram with Mujina Baby. Many age in a 1 hour day, a car hour in Yampania. Now, so when Timmy and Chia, a Trump. And TSA now buying institution here. I'm not adding 70. Omo de car le ba bi twem e me nya sia yi ti ate sa na we so a school for no yantima anda ye ho so efi se ye jama sa adwumade ya omo de be hihye so ikoso a ye mom ne ho be kire ye empo na bra mo ba ha se omo ba betwa kanea mu na nya brepam ade nti na o se o ba wa bra sukuu mpemfo apon o se oba no mbe dia no baba ye na ohu ekwan abefa so adi udwumadi no manya ne sa mo ba ya na mo betwa mo abra empemfo da school ya no enimu
Where yes young form was a Yosu College of Education.
Yanko Gomua Nyano ewo Gomua East Mansinim wo epoye mantamu. Na enkra ye free hoba ene se aprosifo nyanente sa kromfo be hyentamu ho no mo a omo ha manfo asomdue ene o mabra bopa. Na se de nyina yenim na aprosifo nyatepo bisa no a ya okeka wo ho bo wo ho ekoyie. Na bra okopie mu ewo ghetto ba ko na boys na ye wa da ngusie nam soro se ya hye se de omo ahibidie. Na aprosifo no emo ho ye ha ya omo yire nipa ne bi. Na ebere omo yire nipa ne bi no mpeso mo prove stubborn ti omo de abanka no gu onsa ebi di fum omo de abanka no nyina atowira mu a omo gyenaja aprosifo no ena foforo na aka boys na ka ho no omo de aprosifo no sesa so aso nti bere aprosifo no hunu sare se emu ayeden na wo se woto nsa fra omo nuam na omo free Central East na obeka wo ho ampa ancha kura ena omo so beduru ye na no ena na yebusa Sareki Isaka Giwa wona ye zongo hene ewo komua nya no se papa salamu alaikum yati yo ne mu asam ne san
efra bi enyase eni adabaka oho na ye omukọ hwehwehwe nti ya nyanya ne ahemfo ya ye to na mo de pede police fu obeye no wo wipe da stubborn life na eba krum ha no
Intindra, one of my friends say, Sabia, I see police for any Mbrante Ishama, ye pra police for ma. Yachim Brante be, ma, Bimusudi, Ankop Egani. Na yaya himfo de e wose yes sorry intermediate instant me call police station ho me ko hu se no kwa ya chichire ebimu e ho ma me befi na de tini se nyanya no fo mba de nyanya no fo yaya forufo mbrante ne nketes ye na ya forufo ya sanso ye ekwafo enti sa yambu police yesro police dada nyanya no fo ye osi police ana court yesro na mo manso de ye twibi na mo pa de nyanya ni beyinsa abo police ana why bibi abo police there ensi da minti bi poda nti mindindi se nyanya no fomba na omaye nti abeto to afre police force omu
anopai me kanfo na me de ma wo se ba bi a wo kɔ ba bi a wo nam bia no e ma wo remfi se obegye aperitif oni bi na wo de ahye ho de akɔ akɔra no kɔ school a ya ma ne bi ɛno na da so no ɛyɛ kama pa isiese nipadua no gini padua no si ye wa pomden kwa so mienu ka ho baako ɛyɛ 5G ɛno sei no wunya bi a ɛbɛboa wo ye pa 5G no nso so ne de ntia ya ne ye ka ye de to so ma wo se hunu no se na nipa nye wo bɛbɔka na wa ya ade no se ensiese nipadua no na obi nso tikotia na ɔno nso ye bi ɛde framu 5G no nie programs bia ya wo ye na ba hia nipa dom wo ase ne ade no ɛti nipa nim ɛwɔ dwumadie bia ya wodie ana baako so ɛyɛ mizo no se no ɛno nso so nie mizo no se wunya bi a emu odu nti anopa se no wunya bi a ɛbɛgyina wo ho akyɛ yie pa ansa na wiam hokora no wanya aduane bi ade mesrɛw me nua ba ɛma bɛma no nka asɛm bi ɛmfa to utrim sɛ tenafie na mɛhwɛw nipa ho foro nti mesrɛw ba bi a wo bia no gibe na ton oton drinks oton nsuo gibe fra na enso to untime mba ha nso a ba bi a wo bia no frɛma yɛ gusoi na yɛmrɛ obi 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 Powerty Yanka Sompa 93.1 FM. Sanso so na Sompa 90.7, Sompa 98.9. Ana kwabena kese na afei.
Ohini ni ama krancha da zo adam nyina se o ma yedu wa chebe to so e de ade ache bia dwumadi no abrem.